Hello and welcome back to Love Advice TV. This is Coach Adrian, your friend and confidant, relationship expert, here to provide you with tips and tools to empower you in your love life. And the topic of today's video is a topic that is very important and one that I talk about each and every day. It's about communication. Communication with your partner and communication in your relationship. So many people reach out to me and tell me we're so compatible. We're compatible in every sense, but we can't communicate. Or people who I've broken up with reach out to me and say, our relationship for the most part was good. We didn't really argue all that much, but communication was a big, big issue. And I wanted to do a video on how to communicate effectively, how to communicate the right way so that you don't make some of the same mistakes that I see a lot of my clients making all over the world. And communication is very important. The words that we use are very important. Each word carries with it a certain potency and has a certain meaning to it. And we can either bring someone up and empower them, and our words can be honey in that sense, or we can hurt someone's feelings. We can bring someone down, and our words can be venom in that sense. And it's very important to make sure that you don't let your fears and your insecurities drive the way that you communicate with your significant other. To some of you, it might seem obvious, but you would be surprised how many people all over the world let their fears, their feelings, their insecurities drive the way that they communicate with their significant other. And so if you're communicating from a place of anxiety or fear, the odds are that you will aggress your significant other. You will bring them down and you will challenge them in a way that will make them feel unloved, insignificant, or not good about themselves. A lot of times, the patterns that I've seen is that the people who communicate in that way are either very possessive and jealous or very anxious and insecure. And there's a deeper level here. It's not just about communication, it's also about psyche and well-being and finding peace with certain aspects of your life. And when we do coaching sessions, a lot of times it transcends just communication strategy. It's about helping you build that foundation to be at peace with yourself so that you can communicate with your significant other from a place of love, from a place of well-being and happiness. That doesn't mean that you're never frustrated or irritated with them. It just means that you're choosing the right moment and the right mindset and the right words to convey to them ways by which they can grow, ways by which they can become better people, better partners. And it's not about you, and how your ex makes you feel and what they do for you. It's what you can do for them and how you can empower them to grow, to be better people in the way that you communicate. And it's an essential aspect of relationship. No matter where you are, how old you are, how wealthy you are, how big your family is, you need to learn to communicate effectively in order to be in a healthy relationship. And so I challenge you today to think about the ways by which you've been communicating with your significant other. Are you only communicating with them for you to make sure that you get something out of it? Or are you only criticizing them and telling them things that they're not doing well or things that they need to improve on? Or are you giving your significant other love? Are you praising them, genuine compliments when they do things well? Because you can choose to focus on the negatives and what they don't do so well and what they need to improve on, or you can choose to focus on their quality traits, their positive attributes, and to praise them, genuine compliments based on things that you actually appreciate about them. Try focusing on their qualities for a while. Try to go 1 month overlooking the faults and praising the good, especially the things that you wish they do more of. Instead of telling them, oh, you didn't do the dishes again and again and again, wait for them the one time that they're going to put their dish in the right place or go out of their way to actually do the whole set of dishes, to tell them, yes, thank you. I love it when you do the dishes. You're amazing. And see what that does for your relationship. See how you will empower your partner to want to rise up, to be that person that you want them to be and the person that you deserve and someone that they can also be proud of when they look in the mirror. This topic is so rich, it's so deep that I wish I could have a one-on-one coaching session with every single person that watches this video to help you not only build an effective communication strategy, but to help you understand the dynamics at play in your relationship so that you can speak your partner's love language, so that you can communicate to them the right things at the right time. But I can't do that, unfortunately. And that's why I'm doing this video. And I hope that you will enjoy it. And if you do, please like it. Leave me your thoughts and your questions in the comment section below so that my team and I can at least give you tidbits of advice here and there and point you in the right direction. And if you can afford to do so, please book a session with me so that we can provide you with the right foundation, the right basis to help you nurture your relationship and grow with your partner in the right way. I am Coach Adrian. We are the new and improved Love Advice TV. And I thank you for tuning in. Thank you for giving us love and purpose. And please continue to be amazing people, to fight the good fight. And you will be in the type of relationship that you deserve and the type of relationship that you ultimately want to build. Keep fighting the good fight, my friends, and see you soon.